V8 rumble. Oh! Whoa! It almost sounds a bit like a Brabus. Love the sound. Hello guys, I am back today, welcoming you inside the all-new 2025 model Mercedes AMG G63, and today it's the day. We will be driving it, we will be experiencing it, we will be doing a race start, we will be listening to the sound. I will be also giving you a quick tour before we actually start with the drive. Let me just do that now, right before the drive. The iconic G-Class closing. This is the car. Exterior paint is called Monza Grey Magno. We have the night package 2. We have the carbon fiber exterior package. We have the latest wheel options here, finished in gold, the multi-spoke ones. Apart from that, there is not a lot of changes. We have the side pipes here finished in black, as you can see. Also the step board finished in black. Apart from that, there is not a lot to talk about. There is actually a full detail walk around of that car in specific. Check the info box above. Now we will be jumping inside and we will be starting the drive. Here we have the latest generation Mercedes AMG G63 interior. Also the seats you can see here, full black leather interior, latest generation steering wheel, latest generation infotainment. Is all new and updated center console here. We have the AMG floor mats, AMG entrance board. Let me just jump right inside and start it up for you. Here we are. We'll be switching it all the way up to Sport Plus. We will be starting it with an emotion start. Ooh, V8 rumble. Let me close the door and give you a sound check with all the windows closed first. Let me also put all the windows down now. Okay, listen. Amazing sound. It sounds way better than the previous one, honestly. And now it's time to start the official first drive inside the all-new G63 AMG. Seatbelts on, and we'll be putting the car into drive. We have the all-new and updated controls here for the lights. We actually have the exact same ones in the A-Class and stuff, and I don't really like them as they feel very cheap. We have the handbrake here. You can just unlock it and then just put the car into drive and start the first drive inside the all-new G63 AMG. But before we actually start with a sporty drive, all I want to show you is the comfort ride first, because AMG has actually reworked the suspension and made it so much better for daily usage. The driving and the drivability in general, especially here driving in curves, is so much more comfortable than the previous one, because the difference between the comfort and Sport Plus driving mode with the previous one, there was not a huge gap, but with the latest one they have really reworked it and made the comfort driving mode so much more smooth, whereas the Sport Plus driving mode is so much more agile and direct, as you can already see here. We'll be just switching it all the way up to comfort. You can see the steering is so much more soft and smooth. The steering is not as direct as in Sport Plus. Also here driving through these extremely tight turns here. The drive is well balanced at this point. Also when driving on these tough roads, it's extremely simple, super fine. As you can already see here, speed bumps ahead, nothing for the G63 here. It's super easy and I love it already, because as a daily driver, especially, I don't know, there's a lot of people that daily drive the G63. The comfort driving mode is a must-have and is a must-do, as most of the people use it, and I think they've improved it and made it so much better now. But now comes the thing that I have to show you as soon as we enter the official roads here. This is the sound and comfort. Just pushing it a bit here through the tight curves, some bumps ahead. the feeling inside, you feel super safe, super comfortable in this gigantic Geländewagen. Love it. Yeah, and it's extremely comfortable. But now we are hitting the official roads here, and we will be switching it all the way up to Sport Plus. And now there's something that I have to show you, and you will be shocked, because this car actually comes with a race start. I think it's an option if I'm not mistaken. There's no car in front or behind me. All you gotta do is push the brake. We'll be doing that with my left foot here, and then full throttle. Oh! Whoa! Lovely. So here we go again. Oh, do you hear the sound? It's really nice, honestly. It's extremely good. Lovely sound. Okay guys, we'll be doing another race start for you here. Slowing it all the way down. There's no car behind me, also no car in front of me. 3, 2, 1. This feels unreal. Race starting a G63 AMG. This is so fun. Wow. It's amazing, honestly. Let me also do something really interesting. We will be doing a drag race inside the G63. It's also something really funny that you get the AMG track pace for the new G63, as if someone would drive this car on the track. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay. I really love the animations here. Let me see how well we did. 4.4 seconds. Okay, lovely. I have the ESP on, as you can see. Maybe I will turn it in sport mode and then do another run. The sound of the G63 is so much better now. The previous generation sound was already nice, but the latest one sounds so much sportier now. You get an extremely nice sound feedbacks coming from the side pipes, and I don't even have the windows down. Let me just put the windows a bit more down. The car is so much louder. It is really way louder than the previous one. It's so much louder. We'll be doing another drag race start with the ESP set in sport. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow, this car drives extremely good. Let's see how we did. 4.3 seconds now. Okay. The sound is so much better now. I love it. It's so much louder. I'm surprised, honestly. It almost sounds a bit like a Brabus. Especially when flooring it in high RPM. You can hear that. Especially when you have the windows down. Love the sound. Also when downshifting you will get a pretty nice sound feedback. Huge fan, honestly. Okay, for the final time to finish off the video, last race start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, how well did we do? 4.5. Okay, that was bad, honestly. We have a lot of wind coming, just literally stopping the car from going even further. Guys, how do you like the all new G63 AMG? Please share it in the comment section below. I have to say, AMG and Mercedes have managed to improve it and make it even better. The drive, the sound, the daily usability of the car, just switching it all the way to comfort and having an extremely nice and smooth drive. you can have that. Or if you just want, you can switch it all the way up to Sport Plus and have a race start. Even track this car if you want. I mean, the car comes with track pace. Ridiculous. AMG has done an amazing job. Mercedes has smashed it. How do you guys like the all new G63 AMG? Please let me know in the comment section below. I'm already looking forward to see you all again and wish you guys an amazing day. I will be back.